Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I teach you K-pop dances. Today I will be teaching Girls on Top, Stamp on It. This video is part 1, which is the explanation and slow counts. As usual, on my right hand and my right leg, I have ribbons wrapped around it just to make it easier to learn this dance. So let's get started. So before the first 8 count, you're going to push your hands out, come around, and you want your hands on your back. And you kind of bring your arms in and then pump out. So that's on 5, 6, 7, 8. So with this pose, you're slightly tilting your upper body back. For the first 4 count of this section, you're going to curl your fingers in and point up and do that one more time. So that's on 1, 2, 3, 4. At the same time, so we started here, your body is going to be kind of rolling and then pop, roll, pop. So all together from here, that's on 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, you're going to hold this position. So you're going to be leaning on your right leg bent, and then your hands come to this position right by the right side of your face. So after you come here, you're going to lift your right hand and then push it out. So with your right hand, you're going to push your left hand out towards the left side. And at the same time that you do that, you're going to start bringing your right leg in for the next move. So you come around, push out, bring your right leg in. Then from here, you want to bring your right leg towards the back. Your left hand is going to come on your hips, and then your right hand with the thumb down, you're going to push down and forward. And you're also kind of leaning forward and coming up. So let's try those moves together from here. So this is on 5 and 6, 7, 8. Let's try everything together from the beginning. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So then from here, your body is going to be slightly tilted right, and then your right hand is going to push up, out, down, and out. And then with your legs, first with your right leg, you're going to kick back and in. Then your left leg comes front and in. So that's back, in, front, in. And you do both of those moves together. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to step out with your right leg, and your hand will come around your chin. And at this part, saying Mona Lisa smile. And you do this move for 2 counts. Then you're going to, with your hand, point down, flick up, and then come around your chin. So your hands are crossing, they're overlapping. Come up, in, and then you're going to uncross. And they're walking into their next part on that section. So if we try from here, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And with the lyrics, they're saying, Mona Lisa smile with a smile. Let's try those counts together from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So from here, you're going to step left and right. At the same time, your left hand is out and open. Your right hand will sweep left, right. So it looks like 1, 2. Then on 3, you're going to come down and look to the left. And on 4, you're going to jump center with your hands by your eyes. The first 4 count from here is on 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to touch your right hand to your left hip. Then your left hand comes across. Then your right hand touches on the right side. And then your left hand comes to the left side. So it looks like 5 and 6 and. Then you're going to bring your right hand by your eyes again and your left hand by your eyes. And you're actually pointing. Well, at least Karina is pointing when she does this move. Then you're going to step out and also bring your hands up and then down. So that section slowly looks like 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. And let's try the first 8 count together from here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Then from here, your hands will come out and down. And that's for a 2 count. 1, 2. Then you're going to step with your left leg and then bring your right leg in. And at the same time, once your hands come down, you're going to bring your right hand up. So both hands are pointing. Your right hand comes up, around, and your left hand comes down, around. And then they're going to meet center. And once they meet, you're going to hold up 2 fingers with your right hand. So that move from here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, you're going to step, 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 step. So that's left, right, right, left. And then your hand is going to sweep left and then sweep to your head. And altogether, that move from here looks like 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that part together from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,